Welcome to my Apple Vision Pro Swift development series. I just want to make some short little videos on individual functions and attributes of development for Vision Pro. I'm just learning with the rest of you, so these videos will just be short snippets of things I discover, little bite-sized pieces. So first off, I have Yuma Soerianto from Anyone Can Code to thank for this video, and I'll link the video below in the description. But I wanted to get a bit more granular and just talk about the individual functions and what they do. Today I'll be talking about generatePlane and what that does. So as you can see, I'm using Yuma's Vision Dice app, and I'm digging a little deeper into the function generatePlane, which is right here. Generate plane with depth 40. Materials, simple material. I've attached a material to the plane, which is the color green right here. I've added a color here with simple material base color, material color parameter, dot color. And we can use this to see the plane of the floor that's generated, which will be this color. I'm just going to demonstrate what the width and depth means, which was a little bit confusing to me first to find out what the axes in Vision Pro mean. So let's run it. Okay, first from Yuma's video, we will have a dice falling and it will interact with the floor we generate, which is right here. So I'm zooming in and out, and I have the width of 50 and the depth of 40. So as you can see, the width is the width on the y-axis going this way, and the depth is the depth going into the screen. So that's the z-axis. We can see that the z-axis is what is coming toward the viewer. Larger z positions are closer to the viewer and smaller z's are further away, represented by negative numbers. So if you want to put something in the z-axis far away, you'll put it in a negative number. Let's demonstrate what happens if I make the depth 2, for example. So you see the dice just fell down and fell off the desk, basically fell off it, because the z-axis is not a larger number that would push further into the screen. This was a bit confusing to me at first, but that is how you should envision the axes. You can see we can change the height instead. Height to, let's say, 5. And the depth will be gone, and we'll see a flat screen. Obviously, it's further back here, so let me zoom out, and this is the plane we generated. It's got a height and a long width of 40. Okay, and so that's it for my bite-size snippet of function in Vision Pro.